Do you like it here?
It's interesting. I wonder how much of these buildings are old, how much of these are
Renovate?
rebuilt. Yes. We are back in Germany. This time, we're venturing into the former GDR, and Dresden is definitely a must-see for us. One of the first sites that caught our attention was the Church of Our Lady at New Market. This iconic church was bombed by Allied forces during World War II and lay in ruins for 50 years. After German reunification, the government decided to reconstruct it as a symbol of unity and a hopeful future for Germany. The church you see right now was completed in 2005 and stands as a testament to resilience. New Market, where the church is located, is also interesting. It's home to one of Germany's largest Christmas markets and is considered one of the original Christmas markets. I have to say, the whole city gives off a totally different vibe. The Baroque and Rococo buildings, the Elbe River flowing through the city, and the old cars from the Cold War era all remind you that this city has a rich and complex history. Once known as the Jewel Box due to its stunning architecture, Dresden is fascinating for us as tourists. As we take you along on this walking tour, please pay attention to the details here. Just like Wrocław, I feel like Dresden is one of those places rich with hidden gems. Whether it's a gargoyle on a building facade or a roof with a slightly different design, that's the charm of this place.
Okay, so Nia said it's German buildings.
I think these are East German buildings.
Yeah.
Like built after World War II, socialist style.
Yeah, maybe. We don't really know, but it's rainy and I don't like rainy.
I have to say, Dresden is different from other German cities because you get to see all these palace squares, castles, and churches. Some of them are genuinely old, while others have been carefully reconstructed after World War II. Regardless, you can feel the weight of history while you're here. It almost feels like a fairy tale land. When it rains, the city becomes even more magical. The raindrops make the historical buildings seem even older, as if each one of them is trying to tell you its own story. We walked around the oldest part of town at sunset. The old castles and opera house stood majestically. That's when we fell in love with this place. Dresden has many stories to tell. It originated as a Slavic village called Dresden, meaning forest dwellers, and became a powerful cultural hub during the electors and kings of Saxony. This part of Germany has so much history intertwined with art and culture. We wish we had more time to explore and experience it all. Our time in Dresden has been wonderful. The old castles and shrunken neighborhoods make us want to come back for more adventures. If you like this video, please like and subscribe and follow along on our journey.